Over 30% of crops go unharvested in California farms, and millions of pounds of food is going to waste in homes. This waste raises costs and limits access to fresh produce. Many families also lack gardening and healthy eating knowledge. Our app connects farms, small businesses, and neighbors to share extra imperfect produce. It turns surplus food into community resources, teaches simple farming skills, and helps the community stay connected to reduce waste.
The first feature of our app is the marketplace. Here you can connect with other people and see offerings for food that's fresh and organic. On top of this, there's an AI recipe generator, which allows people to create recipes using the food offered. Next is an education and heritage page, which allows you to learn more about the heritage of agriculture and educate themselves on the history. Lastly, there's a weather and water watchdog, which gives real-time warnings about the weather and also about water in our region.
The first feature of our app is the marketplace. On the marketplace, you can find offers for food. Now, this food is usually for people who have made too much of it and just can't consume it all. So you can see that we are in the San Diego area, so I'll click on some offers in San Diego. And then, so let's say you clicked on that offer right there. You can see on the offering page that it gives you the food name, the date of expiration where it might spoil or go bad, a description of it, and then also a picture of it. You can actually make a recipe for it. So here you can see that there's a recipe for a tomato food. So here you can see Capri salad with homegrown tomatoes. You can use that. Here's a little picture of it.
The next feature of our app is the Weather Watchdog feature, where farmers are able to check if there's any recent weather alerts in their area and also learn about what steps they can take to protect their farm. The last feature of our app is the education section, where you're able to learn all about agriculture. And one section that you're able to learn about is the plant section. You can learn about a variety of plants, ranging from strawberries to pumpkins. It gives you tips about planting them, and at the end, it gives you a quiz to test if you're able to recall all of the information. We utilized MIT App Inventor to code and build the majority of our app. We also utilized a weather API for a weather watchdog function. Furthermore, we also utilized tiny databases, Google Maps, and also an AI chatbot for our AI recipe generator function.
Agriconnect allows neighbors to share food and resources, maximizing the amount of local produce while also decreasing the amount of food waste. By connecting families and farmers, the app creates a sustainable local food ecosystem. Agriconnect goes beyond food exchange while also offering lessons for kids, hands-on tutorial for families, and more. Not only does Agriconnect help with everything stated before, it also helps with food diversity and fosters a healthier lifestyle.